Today, we will try to find the answer about most asking question of whether nutritional yeast is gluten-free or not. Let's start to find the answer. The nutritional yeast has become a staple in many kitchens, especially those adhering to vegan or vegetarian diets. But for those with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease, understanding whether this flavorful ingredient is safe to consume is crucial. What is nutritional yeast? Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast, often a strain of Saccharomyces cerevisiae, which is sold in the form of flakes or yellow powder. It's a popular ingredient in vegan cooking, thanks to its rich, umami flavor, which resembles cheese. This makes it a favorite for sprinkling over pasta, popcorn, and various other dishes. Beyond its taste, nutritional yeast is celebrated for its nutritional value, as it is a rich source of protein, vitamins, especially B vitamins, and many minerals. The gluten-free status of nutritional yeast. The good news for those concerned about gluten is that nutritional yeast is naturally gluten-free. This is because it's not derived from wheat, barley, or rye, which are the typical grains that contain gluten. Instead, it is usually grown on a sugarcane or beet molasses medium. Watch out for cross-contamination. However, the story doesn't end there. Cross-contamination is a critical factor to consider, especially for those with celiac disease or severe gluten intolerance. While nutritional yeast itself doesn't contain gluten, it can come into contact with gluten during the manufacturing or packaging process. This is particularly likely if it's processed in facilities that also handle gluten-containing products. Therefore, if you need to avoid gluten, it's essential to look for nutritional yeast that is specifically labeled as gluten-free. This ensures that the product has been tested and confirmed to contain less than the standard threshold for gluten, which is 20 parts per million, ppm, in the United States. A safe choice for most. For most people with gluten sensitivities, a gluten-free labeled nutritional yeast is a safe choice. In fact, it can be a nutritious addition to a gluten-free diet, providing flavor and nutrients that might otherwise be challenging to incorporate. Conclusion: nutritional yeast is a naturally gluten-free product, making it a safe and nutritious choice for those on a gluten-free diet. However, due diligence is necessary when purchasing nutritional yeast to ensure it hasn't been contaminated with gluten during processing. As always, if you have a severe gluten allergy or celiac disease, consult with a healthcare provider before introducing new foods into your diet. Nutritional yeast can offer a world of flavor and nutrition, but safety should always come first.